Resin phone covers are stylish and durable cases that offer a unique artistic look. They're often handmade with colorful, translucent resin, which can be infused with various elements like flowers, glitter, or even small objects. This creates a one-of-a-kind design that protects your phone while expressing your personal style. Resin phone covers are stylish and durable cases that offer a unique artistic look. They're often handmade with colorful, translucent resin, which can be infused with various elements like flowers, glitter, or even small objects. This creates a one-of-a-kind design that protects your phone while expressing your personal style. Here are some additional details about resin phone covers. Customization. Many resin phone covers are customizable, allowing you to choose your preferred colors, designs, or even add a personalized message.